Friends, today we will discuss about a 3-point starter. So before doing that, we will see that why the starter is required or the necessity of starter for the DC motor. Okay, a 3-point starter is a device that helps in the starting and running of a DC motor. Now the question is, why DC motor are required the help of a starter at the starting? Yes, it is due to the presence of a back EMF. Back EMF plays a critical role in the governing of operation of a DC motor. The back EMF develops as the motor armature starts to rotate in the magnetic field. That is a generating action and opposite to the supply voltage. So the back EMF at the starting of a motor is 0, but it develops gradually as the motor gathers speed. Now it has been shown that the current drawn by the motor armature is given by the relation Ia equals V minus Eb divided by Ra. So that is the voltage equation Eb is equal to V minus IaRa, where V is the supply voltage, Eb is the back EMF and Ra is the armature resistance. Now we will see that when the motor is at rest, obviously no back EMF is developed in an armature. If now a full supply voltage is applied across the stationary armature, it will draw a very large current because of the armature resistance is relatively small. Now consider the case of a DC motor rated of 220 volt, a 3.73 kilowatt motor having a cold armature resistance of 0.25 ohm and a full load current of 19 amps. If this motor is started from line directly, it will draw a starting current of 880 amps, which is around 43 times of the full load current. This excessive current will blow out the fuses, and prior to that it will damage the commutator and brushes also. To avoid this happening, a resistance is introduced in series with the armature which limits the starting current to a safer value. Let us see the construction of 3-point starter. The DC motor based 3-point starter mainly consists of 3 terminals L, A and F. L is connected to the positive supply. Terminal A is connected to one end of the winding of an armature and terminal F is connected to one end of the field winding. The other line, that is a negative, is directly connected to one end of the armature terminal and one end of the field terminal, which are tied together. The terminal A, which is further connected to starting resistance R for controlling the initial current, starting arm L and overload release. The construction of 3-point starter includes no voltage strip NVC is coupled in series with the motor field winding. The handle in the circuit kept in off condition with the spring S. The handle can be operated manually for motor operation. Okay, let us see the working of a 3-point starter. The handle of 3-point starter is moved from one stud to another stud slowly. First, the starter handle is moved to a stud number 1 and wait for the motor to gather speed. That is, the back EMF has to be developed. Then the handle is further moved to a stud number 2, 3, 4, 5 and then to the run position. There are 3 main points to be considered in this position, which includes the following. The handle in the circuit is held in run condition with an electromagnet strengthened by NVC, that is no voltage trip coil. In any incident, the NVC is turned off or dropped below a fixed value, then the NVC will get de-energized as well as the starter handle will pulled back by the spring and back to the off condition. The DC supply is turned on by closing a DPST. L handle will move clockwise direction to the stud number 1 and this increases the speed of the motor till gets to the run position. If the voltage supply is unexpectedly disrupted or supply is failure, then the no volt coil is demagnetized as well as the handle goes back to the off location in the pull off spring. If the DC motor is overloaded or it draw extreme current from the current supply, then the release coil gets magnetized as sufficient to pull the armature. Therefore, no volt coil is be short circuited. which is connected across the triangular contacts, then NVC coil demagnetized as well as the handle is pulled near to the off location by the S spring. Hence, the electric motor is automatically detached from the supply.